Well, here's another video of the beginning of the Chevy C15. I managed to pick up a box today, literally. This box is on a trailer. It's in pretty good shape. It doesn't have a tailgate on it though. But it was easy to get home for obvious reasons. Now I'll have to bring the frame back to the guy who owns this trailer once I'm taking the box off of it. And I also scored a couple of new inner fenders from the ones that are all chopped and cut up that are in the truck right now. So I'll be replacing those with these. And looking at the tailgates, I'll be keeping mine and fixing mine because I don't think this one's period correct, but box does have a bumper on it, which I don't have. So that's the latest progress on the Chevy long box C15.